Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute elf girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a curve across. Now from each end, let's draw a curve down. And then let's curve it up, stopping just before the top. Now in between here, let's draw the bangs. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and up. Another one going out to the right and up again. And one more curve across. Next, we're going to hop down and let's draw a curve across near the bottom here for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing two curves out and down. And then let's draw an eyelash out on each side. Now underneath, let's draw two ovals. And then another oval inside at the top. Now we're going to hop on top of each eye and let's draw a curve across for the eyebrows. And then at the bottom, a small curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop out and draw the ears. On each side, let's draw a curve out and back in at the bottom. And then let's add another curve inside at the top. And that's it for the ears. Now we're going to hop on top of the head and draw the hat. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve up. And connect it with a curve across the top. Now on the left, we're going to step in slightly and draw a curve up. And then from the right, let's draw a longer curve up towards the center. And then curve it down to the left. And one more curve back in. Now at the end of the hat here, let's draw the pom-pom by drawing a bumpy circle around. And that's it for the hat. Next, we're going to hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two small lines down for the neck. And then a curve at the bottom. Now from each side, let's curve it out. And then curve it back in underneath for the collar. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw two angles down for the sides of the dress. Now let's add the fur at the bottom by drawing a bumpy line across. And then let's continue it around and across underneath. Now let's hop inside the dress and let's draw 3 circles down the center. And that's it for the main part of the dress. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side of the collar and let's draw an angle down. And then at the bottom, let's draw a bumpy line in. And the same thing underneath to add the fur. Now for the hands, let's draw a line out and back in like this. And one more smaller bump for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop back up and let's finish off the hair. Underneath the ears, let's draw a wavy line down, curving it up at the bottom. And then let's curve it back in and up underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath the left and the right side. And then let's add the fur of the boots by drawing a bumpy line all the way around underneath each leg. Now for the shoes, let's draw 2 angles down and out underneath each leg. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a bump up. And 2 lines down on top. And then let's add some lines inside for the shoelaces. Lastly, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a small line down on each side. And then a curve across. And that's it for this cute elf. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!